press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for getting all the informative videos very first. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today we will review the legend of the gaming console, PlayStation Portable PSP. So today we will discuss about the features and also play some games in this PlayStation. So let's start the video. Please like, share and subscribe. So guys, first we will talk about the case. This is the case. Here we get the CDs of the PlayStation, and these are some sports. So let's turn on. First we will talk about the overview. Here we have a headphone jack, DC 5 in volt. This is the camera port, and also we can transfer files from here. And this is the memory card slot. This is not the normal micro SD. This is memory stick Pro Duo. I have the 4 GB. So this is the battery indicator. I don't know which is this. I think this indicator is for the memory card. So this is the right button, this is left button. This is the power on, and here we can put a thread. So for turning it on, we have to first slide here, then here. If it is there, then all the buttons will not start working. So first I will pull, so it has been on. So let's play some games. This is the software update. I have 3 games. This is the Cars one. This is DNA Impact. It's a wrestling game. And this is car racing. So I will play this. It will start. Guys, I am not a pro gamer. I just play games for some time. Otherwise, I watch videos of tech. So it's starting. Please like, share and subscribe. I have bought this PSP in 2014. So it will start. After playing this game, we will talk about the settings. So we will skip. For skipping, we will use X button. For starting the game, we will select start button. Let's talk about the buttons. These are the arrow buttons. This is sliding. These are the left and right buttons. And this is the multifunctional PlayStation button. Here this is the volume button. I can increase and decrease. This is the badging. This is select. It is used to resume a game. And this is the start button. These are the basic gaming buttons of a Sony PlayStation. So let's start. So load profile. So we will play this. I am not a pro player in gaming, so I will select the basic car. So difficulty I will choose easy because I don't know how to play very much. We will use 1 lap because then the video will be very lengthy if I will choose 5 laps. So let's start. We will get golden trophy on first position, silver trophy on second, and bronze on third. So okay. So I will choose, here is the indicator of power, control and speed. I will choose this car because I know only about this. It will start. From here, R button, we can accelerate. This is for brake. This is for boost. This is for jump. This is for brake. And this is for starting. So I will push this. These are the arrow button for turning, and it is also used for turning. I will decrease volume. What a funny thing, these cars can speak. So let's start. Enjoy the gameplay. Let's boost. This is the boost. I am on the first position. I also have a PlayStation 2. I bought the things together. So I will also make a video on PlayStation 2. Please comment me below what should I make in the next video. I am on the fourth position, so let's boost. I have boosted. It's really enjoying game. Boost. I am again on the first position. So we have won the game. It is easy mode, that is why I have won. Otherwise I will lose. So we have got the first position and trophy. Continue. 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 So we have played. Now we will go to back screen. Sorry, home screen. So now we will talk about the settings and layout. This is the game compartment. I have 3 games. Back. This is the video compartment. Music. For making video, we can attach a camera, but I don't have. This is songs. I have these songs. I will not play, then if I play, I will get a copyright. But the sound quality is decent, not very good, not very bad. This is the camera. Again I am saying we have to attach a camera. These are the digital comics. These are the settings. First is system update, then USB connection. USB will also be attached here. Then video settings, photo settings, system settings, theme settings. Let's change the theme. We will use orange color because our logo is also orange. Date and time setting, power save settings, sound settings, security settings. Here we can use a password, but I will not use. It will take so much time. So this is the time indicator, battery, and this is the date indicator. So guys, I also have a charger. This is the Dubai port charger, I think. I have used this adapter. This is the pin. So overall, this is the PSP. The cost of this PSP is now 6 to 7,000, but when I bought it, the cost was 14,000. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.